Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly. We call it the Dream Team. What would you call it? The challenge was dark romance. Not really my thing, but I knew who to call. I have a wonderful friend that I have known for many, many years, and she is a writer. Her name is Amanda Milo. She had a character for me from Cyborg Merman, and his name is Spest, like Sylvester, only it's Spest. So Amanda is such a good writer. Even her emails and texts, she makes you laugh, she makes you cry, she brings you to where the action is, I guess. How would you say that? She brings you into it. You feel part of everything she writes. It's fantastic writing. So this is Spest, and I'm going to show you his original outfits. He, however, is a merman. I did not want to put gills or anything on my Smart Doll, so I did not. I just redid the outfit as best I could. I wish I would have made him a new shirt, but I thought this would work and time ran out. This is actually his stain-resistant shirt, but we got him all fixed up, and he's got a ruby around here. You know what he reminds me of? A Western card shark. You know, he's got his sleeves and his garter and his ruby and, you know, the whole bit, and you're thinking, well, he couldn't have cards up his sleeve. Yeah. Have you ever watched the Westerns? So this was really fun. Thank you to Beth and Tammy and Jay. I can't wait to see your videos too. I'm going to have a link to Amanda Milo. She is a bestseller on Amazon. She's been writing several years now. There's a lot of books to choose from that she has. I'm going to leave a link. You go check her out. If you like to read, you will like her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Again, ladies, happy Valentine's Day. Never did dark romance before, so this was a challenge for me. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by and watch all the other ladies' videos in the collab. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to each and every one of us.